Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on East Kings House Road, and as you can see it's raining very heavy. So we're going to look at the road and the drainage and the water on the road, see how it works. A lot of times when it rains in Jamaica the roads get flooded. That's either because one of the drains are clogged up or there's just not proper drainage. East Kings House Road is going to be upgraded in a few weeks or months. So we're going to see what the drainage situation is like on this road. It doesn't seem too bad. There's water on the side of the road, but nothing that would reach to the point of flooding. Some places in Jamaica though, when it rains, oh Lord, it floods. That recently happened in Montego Bay and in Lucy a few days ago. But East Kings House Road is in St. Andrew, in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. The drainage on this road seems adequate, it's working. We're heading into the Barbican area now, so we're going to see. That road was recently renovated, and we're going to see what the drainage is like on that road. On the right is the turn off the Paddington Terrace, and Paddington will take you all the way up to Liberty. On the left is a turn off to Halifax Avenue. On the right we're passing Barbican Drive. On the left is the entrance to the Lashushan Plaza. If you look on the left on the road, you can see the drain, and you can see the water flowing nicely into the drain. You don't have any flooding in this area. This section of the road that we're coming up on now was recently renovated across the lines, and as you can see there's no flooding on the road, so it was done properly. Or I should say the drains that were put in can adequately handle the water running out. Okay, now going on to, we're still on East Kings House Road, heading towards the Barbican intersection. And as you can see, this part of the road was recently renovated. This is how all of East Kings House Road is going to look when they finish renovating it. They haven't started yet, but it's in the works. The project has been approved, I think, probably just because of COVID. Okay, up here, we're now at the intersection with Barbican Road, and there's literally no water on the road. So the drains that were put in when this road was renovated are working properly. We're now turning left onto Barbican Road, and as you can see, there is no water on the road. This is how, I know it's going to take time, but all the roads in Jamaica should look like this. All the main roads eventually. the right is a turn off the Birdsucker lane. We're going to go straight and keep on Barbican Road. I'm going to turn right and go into the Russell Heights area. But I'm very impressed with the way Barbican Road was built. The government saw the need for this road to be renovated and they went ahead. I'm not sure which contractor did it, but whoever did it did an excellent job, because there is no water gathering on the road and the road doesn't have any potholes. So when that road was renovated, it was done very well. I'm just assuming it was the Chinese company, because they usually do all those major road works. But if anybody knows who did it, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Okay, we're now in the Russell Heights area. But this road is on a incline or a slope, so you wouldn't have any water issues here. The water here would run down towards Barbican Road. Because of the incline, the water just runs off quite easily. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.